Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today I am going to teach you Kriya Pada Parichayaha, that means verb. Let us see. Pat, pathati. Pat means what? To read. Pathati means to read. Lik, likhati. Lik is root. Likhati is verb. Okay, likhati means to write. Nrit, nrityati. Nrityati means what? To dance. Very good. Pa, pib. Pibati. Pibati means to drink. Dhav. Dhavati. To run. Dhavati means to run. Gam. Gacchati. Gacchati means to walk. Okay. Now again I will read. Listen. Pathati, to read. Likhati, to write. Nrityati, to dance. Pibati, to drink. Dhavati, to run. Gacchati, to go. Okay. Now in Sanskrit there are three numbers: Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Ekavachanam means singular, Dvivachanam means dual, Bahuvachanam means plural. In English only singular and plural is there, but in Sanskrit we have singular, dual, then plural. Okay. Singular means what? Ekavachanam. Dual, Dvivachanam. Plural, Bahuvachanam. See, now we saw na pathati, that is ti. See, prathama purushaha. Similarly, there are three persons, that means third person, second person, first person. Third person means prathama purushaha. In Sanskrit, third person we call prathama purushaha. Second person madhyama purushaha. First person uttama purushaha. What are all the nouns will come for third person, that means prathama purushaha? Let us see. In prathama purusha, for singular saha, sa, tat, then eshaha, esha, etat, then naming words balakaha, balika or shivaramaha, nakshatra, all these things we can say. Saha means what? Saha means he, sa means she, tat means that. Okay. Ti, see, for prathama purusha the root goes like this: ti, taha, inti. Ending letters only I am showing. Ti, taha, inti. Afterwards I will tell you how to add these roots into these letters. Like pibati, pib is the root, we add ti, what will happen? Pibati. See here, pib is the root, we are going to add ti, then what will happen? Pib plus ti, pibati. Pibati means to drink. Like that. Then in Dvivachanam, first you I will say, you repeat that. Saha, tau, te. Saha, tau, te. Sa, te, taha. Tat, te, tani. Saha, tau, te. Saha means what? Saha means he. Tau means they two. Te means they all. Sa, te, taha. Sa means what? She. Te, they too. Taha, they all. Tat, te, tani. Tat, te, tani is neuter gender. This is masculine gender. Saha, tau, te. Sa, te, taha feminine gender. Tat, te, tani neuter gender. Tat means that. Then te, those two. Tani, those all. Okay. Then eshaha, esha, etat. Similarly, see, saha means he only, eshaha also he, but what is the difference? One who stands near to you, we call him eshaha. One who stands far away from you, we call saha. Saha means one who stands far away from you, saha. If he is a boy, we call saha. She is a girl, sa. Nearer to you, eshaha for boy, for girl, esha. For neuter gender, tat, etat. Tat means that, etat means this. Okay. Saha, tau, te already I read. Eshaha, etau, ete. Esha, ete, etaha. Etat, ete, etani. Then balakaha, balika. See, balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Singular. Boy. One boy means balakaha. Two boys, balakau. Many boys, balakaha. Then balika, one girl, balike, two girls, balikaha, many girls. All these nouns will come only for third persons. Patati, patataha, patanti. Okay. Then saha patati, tau patataha, te patanti. Patati means what? To read. Afterwards I will tell you how to write all these things. Then in Madhyama Purusha, second person. Second person means what? You, you two, you all. Tvam means you. Yuvam, you two. Yum, you all. Okay. Tvam, yuvam, yum. Then Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha. In Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha, only one noun will come. For Madhyama Purusha, Tvam, Yuvam, Yum. For Uttama Purusha, Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham means I, Avam means we two, Vayam means we all. Okay. Ti, taha, anti, si, thaha, tha, ami, avaha, amaha. I will write this. Just a second. Wait a second. Now you see, ti, taha, anti na. I will take this pat dhatu for prathama purushaha. Prathama purushaha, pa, tha, ti, then pa, tha, taha, ekavachanam singular, dvivachanam dual, bahuvachanam plural. I will write here patati, patataha, pa, tha, inti. See, ti, taha, inti is there na. Pat is the root. We add this ti into that root. What will come? Pathati. Pathati means reads. Patataha. Now see, what are all the nouns will come? I told you. Saha, tau, te. For singular, saha. That means I will write here saha pathati. Saha patha saha pathati. That means what? He reads. Then tau pathataha. Tau pathataha. Tau pathataha. Then pathanti bahuvachanam. Te pa tha in ti. It is clear for you now? Saha pathati. Saha pathati means what? He reads. Tau pathataha. They too reads. Te pathanti. They all reads. Now we can change this into, see, sa pathati. Let us see. She reads. I will take out saha. I will write here sa. Sa pathati means she reads. Te here. Te pathataha. They two girls reads. Taha pathanti. They all girls reads. That's all. Now I will move on to Madhyama Purusha. Now only I taught you Prathama Purusha. What will come? Pathati, see. Pa-tha-ti. Pa-tha-taha. Pa-tha-anti. What will happen? Pathanti. Pathataha. Pathanti. Then here. Pa-tha-si. Pathatha. Pathatha. Pathasi. Pathatha. Pathatha. Then pa-tha. Pathami. Pa-tha. Pathavaha. Pa-tha. Maha. See, now saha pathati, tau pathataha, te pathanti, tvam pathasi. Now for Madhyama Purusha, tvam pathasi. That means you read. Yuvam pathataha. Pathasi. Pathataha. Pathatha. Okay. Pathati. Here also I will write pathati. Pathataha. Pathanti. Okay. Pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Pathasi, pathathaha, pathatha. Pathami, pathavaha, pathamaha. Now, Madhyama Purusha, tvam pathasi, you read. Yuvam pathataha, you too reads. Yum pathatha, you all reads. Then, in Uttama Purusha, already I told you, Uttama Purusha means aham, avam, vayam. I, we too, we all. Okay. Now, aham pathami, I read. Avam pathavaha, we too read. Vayam pathamaha, we all read. Like that will come. Okay. Now, I will teach you next dhatu. Just you listen. Next dhatu is lik dhatu. Now you just listen. Pathati we know now. Pathati means he reads. Now likhati, to write. Likhati means what? To write. I will write likhati. Here likhataha. Here likhanti. Then saha likhati, sa likhati, we can say tau likhataha, te likhataha. Then we can't say for napumsakalinga because neuter gender will not come. Then likhati, likhataha, likhanti. In madhyama purusha, likhasi, likhasi, likhataha, likhatha. Okay? Then in uttama purusha, likhami, likhavaha. Then likhamaha. Now you see, saha likhati, he writes. Then tvam likhasi, you writes. Aham likhami, I write. Okay. Tvam likhasi, you write. Yuvam likhataha, you too write. Yum likhatha, you all write. Then aham likhami, I write. Avam likhavaha, we too write. Vayam likhamaha, we all write. Same method you have to follow for all the dhatus. See, pat and lik already I taught you. You have to practice in your home for all these dhatus. You take any 10 dhatus and practice like this. Okay. Thank you, children.